challenge is totally impossible for a fox, but which mobs can actually beat it?
The cow's bigger and has great balance. This challenge is easy for her. Wait, what?
Time for the chicken. What is that music? Ugh, that totally ruined my focus.
The witch knows a secret trick. I'd call it magic, and yep, she made it through!
Look, nerd, your dad wants to try too. He thinks just because he's got horns, he'll win.
The bunny is tiny, fast, and jumps super high. If the cow made it, he will too. Wait, fall damage?
Magma Cube's like a bunny, but tankier, so no fall damage, right? Seriously?
Come on, little doggo, show them you can make it to the end. I did
The
it!
villager might not know magic, but he's super smart to come up with a plan. Easy.
Enderman's not even fair. Just teleport at the right time. Wait, I missed?
Let a Blaze try. He's got this cool super jump move. Whoa, almost. I know this one's winning.